Welcome to S&L Unplugged. Today we're going to be putting together some shelving units that we bought at Home Depot. We purchased them a couple weeks ago and we picked them up this morning.
Curbside.
Yes, curbside. These are going to go in our furnace room in our basement, pretty much like everybody else has been doing during the pandemic, house projects. This particular unit is called Gladiator. Each one is 60 inches wide, 72 inches tall, and 18 inches deep. Weighs a little over 100 pounds. And each shelf is supposed to hold 2,000 pounds.
I think that should cover us.
Yeah, hope so.
Well, we watched some videos and they say no tools are required and that it can be assembled in minutes.
Minutes.
What could go wrong?
I'm not sure. Hopefully nothing.
Just do it.
We got everything unboxed, brought it down into the basement, laid it all out. What comes with this 60-inch shelving unit is 2 of the end racks, 8 support beams, 8 tie channels, and 4 wire racks. Alright, I'm in the furnace room. It's a little loud because the AC unit's running right now. You hear it? Anyways, so the instructions. Even though we watched the video, I still wanted to read the instructions, but for me, instructions are like, you know, who writes this stuff where they go, take part A, slide it into part B, twirl it around part C, and tie it off with part D? Who writes that? But I will read the very first instruction in here, and it says assemble the end frame. Position the 2 welded end frames, P4, vertical with the foot end of each frame at ground level and profile slots facing forward. What are profile slots? And what do they mean by facing forward? Me? Each other? I don't know. Who writes this stuff?
Alright, here we go. We've got the 2 end frames being held up by Al. And I'm going to use the support beam, the first one. There's a couple of little notches here on both ends. And we're going to put those into both sides of the support beams. They just sort of slide in. Let's see how that goes. You're going to go in the bottom 2 holes. You need to move that out a little bit. Ella, a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Neat. We got it in now. Go ahead and whoosh. I don't know, but it's in there.
Okay.
Alright, support beam 1. Check.
Here's support beam number 2. I'm going to see how this goes.
Okay. Alright, we're going to put try to do the second support beam on the back side. It's a little harder back here. But still doing the same process. It's just sliding in place. Remember, no bolts, no tools. Slide and go. Okay. Alright, moving on. Next one. That one went in pretty easy, actually.
So
They all have been going pretty easy.
That's good.
Yeah.
And it said to put this one in slots 8 and 9 from the bottom.
Yeah, I counted. I did.
It's going pretty good.
Only getting out of here. I really kind of boxed myself in.
Didn't think about that, did we?
Huh. there.
Okay, we're gonna put the tie channels in. So each one has little slots that goes over the support beam, and then it has these two locks. And you're supposed to just be able to push them in, and they go in the holes in the support beams. And these are providing the channels across. Yeah!
Yeah!
All right.
We did it!
And it actually was not that bad. Didn't take us that long, but a couple minutes? I don't know about that.
Right. But it certainly was nice to not have to worry about any tools.
Yep.
And it was easy to slide things in and out. You didn't have to have a rubber mallet to pound it in or anything. You just literally slid everything into place. So it went very well.
Yeah.
And we're going to do one more rack in here. But we just wanted to at least show you how to put one of these together, and we think it'll do well. But we're going to put some bins on here and store some other stuff to get things off the ground and maximize the use of our space. So we give a thumbs up, at least for right now, as far as the building and the sturdiness and the ease of putting it together for the Gladiator shelves. Thanks for joining us on
S&L Unplugged.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. It really helps us out. And set the little alert click the bell, and you'll get notifications when we upload new videos. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up too. Thanks.